Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. Today we're at the Graylands on Highland Road in the sought after area of Kenilworth. This is a stunning and well designed, immaculate, modern 5-bedroom detached property that was originally built in the 1960s. This property has been extensively renovated and extended in 2016 to provide a well-insulated home, providing approximately 2,800 square foot of living space and energy rating of C. Please come with me, let's take a look inside. One of the main features is a grand entrance hallway with an amazing vaulted ceiling and large floor-to-ceiling window flooding the whole area with natural light, and stairs leading up to a very spacious galleried landing. Downstairs there is a well-designed kitchen, dining and living room, and further reception room with an ensuite bathroom and study area. Upstairs, 5 bedrooms, 2 en-suites and a family bathroom. Externally, there is a large screened driveway for 45 cars with dual port electric charger and a good sized rear lawn with new block paved patio entertaining area with rendered retaining walls stretching the full width of the property. There is also a screened off garden shed and vegetable garden area. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.